G'day all you bloody legends, it's Clayton from KickAss Products. I'm here in Australia and I want to show you our KickAss 12 volt oven. Do you like nachos? Do you like cooking a pizza when you're on the run? Bung all your stuff in the KickAss fridge, take it out, put your pizza in here. KickAss oven, 2 shelves, enough for the family. Now this will run of course from the KickAss battery box, but you can also plug it into the cigarette socket of your vehicle. I've seen people do nachos, roast lambs, pizzas. You can get as creative as you like, and I don't have it here today, but we've got an optional tray that goes in here as well, so you can just cook whatever you want. And I want some photos when you do that. These things are huge in Australia because you can cook a meal on the run while you're driving along, stop at lunchtime and eat it. 12 volt oven, you got your thermostat, which is in Celsius at the moment. You'll have to get your phone out and do some calculations, or just turn it to hot like we do in Australia. And it's got a timer. I'm plugged it at the moment into our battery box via the Anderson plug. If you don't know what an Anderson plug is, it's this here. Now we've also got an adapter that plugs onto this, it's included, that'll go to a normal cigarette lighter plug for the car. This is the KickAss 12 volt oven. These are cool. Feed your hungry family. Be a responsible man or woman. Thanks for watching. Catch you later, legends.